guess by the title, we are traveling to Amsterdam. It's currently 5:04 now. We've been up since 2. But here's the girlies. The girlies are here. We're all a little bit tired, a little bit hungry right now, but once we get this check-in and go through security, we'll be fine.
Everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you to the morning.
How are you guys finding it so far? I know you guys are tired. Have nothing to say. Nothing. So we are officially in Amsterdam now, here with our driver because you know, latey. So we're on our way to our hotel now. Hopefully we'll be able to check in. But our check-in is until 2, so hopefully we can just like drop our luggage off and stuff. And then find a nice little cab. And then we have some really cool activities later on.
And you're going to be great, and I'm going to be forgotten, and therefore you won't be able to give me the time of day because you have bigger things to pursue.
So this is the top part of the hotel. These are the hot tubs that we're going to be using this week. Beautiful view here with a nice little boat. Here's the gym. And then this is the sauna in here. Here's the room. We have closet space. Oh, it's nice. There's our view. So here's our bathroom. It's actually really cute. Look at that. And then here's our nice shower. That's nice. So let's relax for a bit and get onto our activity. So we are on our way to the Upside Down Museum. Look at us looking all cute up. So we're just waiting to go in now. Ooh, pictures. What is it about the pictures? We scanned them. We're going in, guys. Ooh! So we can be careful and don't walk into nothing. No.
Oh gosh. Are you sure you say? Guys, come. I really can feel
you. So we are on my private jet right now. And we are just chilling, living our best lives. We're just waiting on the pilot. Yeah, we got our luggage, we got our drinks, and we're just gonna keep it pushing. Good morning, guys. So today is day 2. So I think the last clip you saw was of some food. We actually reserved like a really nice Jamaican restaurant, and when I say the people were so lovely, we had good conversation, we had good talk with the servers. Everyone was just like really good vibes. The music was going. It was really nice. It's after 8 now, so I said in the group chat that we should be ready downstairs and ready for like 9:30 because we have our breakfast reservation at the Breakfast Club. If you're ever gonna come to Amsterdam, just know that there is like a tourist fee. So we paid, I think it's 12.5%. So we're staying here for 4 days. We basically have to spend like almost 50 euro. So if you're ever gonna come Amsterdam to the Netherlands, just know that their ratings are just a little bit higher. So we are officially ready. I decided to go with the red skirt today. Tamika's in the back. She has a nice short hair going. And let's see. So we're gonna go to the Breakfast Club today for breakfast, and then we have the cruise, and then a maze, and then we have a nice like liquid dinner later on. So it should be fun. Down here with the girls, and we're just waiting on our Uber. Is that him? I think that's him. Is it silver?
It's supposed to be silver.
Yeah, that's him.
That's silver? Damn, I'm lying.
That looks silver, yeah.
Okay.
It looks like a Renault as well. Yeah, that's a Renault.
Okay. Just actually said I've arrived.
I've arrived.
What Renault?
Hi. I'm not sitting in the. I'm not sitting in the. You're annoying. Yeah. Oh, something not right. Oh, these houses are so cute.
I like that Renault. Well, not for us anyways.
Yeah. Get some air
walking.
pressure socks and
Nah, I
have
didn't
a nice
start
walk.
walking. I didn't start walking until I moved to England. That's when I...
Are we gonna eat inside? Mine's the smallest of them all.
Has it got chicken?
Yeah, the chicken.
That looks nice.
So we've got our food now. So we're actually at the train station. I'm just waiting on the train. What did you guys think of the breakfast? The breakfast place?
Delicious.
Did you like it, Kiva? The service wasn't up to par.
Service could have been better.
Yeah, food was alright, nice and filling. It literally looks like Paris. If you saw my Paris vlog, I put it up here. But we're just waiting on the train now. Yeah, we're coming up here, guys. Oh, she went Zara. You guys, I think there's like shops and stuff because she has a Zara bag. Ooh. Now I'm getting happy about Zara now. The market, yeah, when you go through.
When I go hard on my own on the daily, I'm a track and I'm really not jungle. Pick the mic and nigga tell I put the work in. Yo, thank you, I'm grateful. Nigga tell that the boy gotta hustle. I'm a track and I really go hard every day on the mic. Nigga tell I don't cap on. I pick the mic up, they know what I'm on. Shout out to the lady with the glasses, for recording. Man, how you doing? Daddy know my own and they can tell it for I'm man. I be on my grind every day for the dough. They can tell I'm on it and I'm never letting go. See, they don't know the pain I've seen all my life. Better how to grind, I'll never back down now. Every day I'm on the road trying to get by. So they envy how I do it when I freestyle.
This is the line for the cruise that we're going on. There's 4 in here.
Yeah, so the dome that man trying is like.
Yeah, you don't want to sit at the back. Yeah, let's get a table. Be careful. Be careful.
So dizzy.
So dizzy. So dizzy. No, it's the boat. It's the boat that's moving. Oh, hell.
Ook Nederlands? English?
English.
Okay. Yes?
You want to sit here? You don't want to sit at the back? What about in the back? Let's sit at the back.
If you kiss someone under the bridge, you will stay forever. Before you kiss, be sure that the right one is, because forever means for very long.
So you guys, the ride has concluded. We're just parked up now. And it was okay, it was decent. Like, it wasn't anything.
Okay, the ladies and gentlemen, the Eagle Eye is landed. Thank you very much. I hope that you enjoy the tour and enjoy the time in Amsterdam.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Oh.
Alien phones, if you like, you just keep as a souvenir. If you don't like, just throw them yeah, in the basket.
Oh, okay. Or souvenirs.
Yeah, I guess.
Supposed to be fun. No people don't take up the freebies.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Because it was like. So this is the famous cheese museum. So I'm assuming this is how they would make the cheese. We just did some like nice cheese tasting actually. So
I wanted one with the cheese cutting on.
Oh, well,
got some testers here.
And also the truffle one, cumins, herbs and garlic.
Where's the
They
truffle?
So I also have a classic cheese. So this one is with the unpasteurized milk. So if any one of you is pregnant, then it's not for that. Then you all can feel
I like that one.
You'll get your own piece.
She doesn't
Sure,
want.
you get scared. Okay.
What cheese was this again, sorry?
Yeah.
It's a farmer cheese with unpasteurized milk.
Can I trash?
And we eat?
I don't like that one. So we're in the cheese museum and they got like bigger cheeses. Cheeses everywhere. Is that one weird? Is that a weird taste?
It does taste like beer. It does taste like beer. So this is the big one. This is the honey. Yeah, how's this one? Do you like the honey?
So we found some like really cool stuff, but tomorrow is mainly our like shopping day.
The boat ride was good.
Yeah, the boat ride
I
was really
didn't get
nice.
sick.
Yeah, it wasn't that fast. That's why it wasn't that fast. But we see a Bershka. We're gonna go in Zara and just walk around. We're just kind of killing time till we go into a maze. Any and everywhere. We're only in Amsterdam once. So we are on our way to a maze right now. Here we at the Amaze. Woo, 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 woo. And the Amaze, look Amaze.
It's funny because
so we are in Amaze right now. We are early, so we're just waiting. There's other people as well. They're like waiting as well. The aesthetic in here is really pretty and the lights change. It's really nice in here. Sorry to cut you guys off, but we just got our drinks. I just got an iced latte because we do have some time. So we're just waiting now. Everyone has their drinks. Got hot and cold drinks. And it's really nice in here. Everyone's just like chilling and like living their best lives. But I've never done this before, so hopefully it'll be like a nice, I don't know, it's some kind of maze, so it should be fun. And I think it will last about an hour. So I was like, let me just get some caffeine in me. So yeah, it should be fun. For not filming as much, but my battery slowly dying because I'm recording on my phone. But we're all dressed up now. I've got the orange on because we're gonna go to Ness restaurant, and we did say 8 o'clock, but it's like 8:05 because the reservation's at 8:30, but it takes 13 minutes to get there. So this is our outfit today. Heels, show me your heels. Those heels are so pretty. I have like a low set of heels. So the ladies are here. Hi. Hey. We look cute.
not orange and green.
It is fancy though. I can't lie, it is fancy. It's fancy.
Good food.
So you guys, we're still waiting on our table, even though we were like a few minutes late, but I think maybe because it's a table of 4, we're just still waiting. But we took some pictures, we got some content, so that's cute. So we just got some wine for our wait. I got some Prosecco. So let's drink up because we're still waiting, guys. So, I feel like I have you guys on it. The wine's nice though.
But it's not red.
Very nice.
A little bit more, or long broccoli, whatever. These are asparagus, they're broccolini. They're broccoli.